People want to recognize themselves in your courses. That includes age, race, gender, body type, and level of ability. I'm here to share a quick tip to help you find more inclusive images around level of ability. If I use the search term business meeting in Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Getty Images, I'm reminded of the REM song Shiny Happy People. I find little, if any, diversity in the area of ability. Now, does that mean these websites don't have images of individuals with differing abilities? No, it just means straight search won't get you there. But all it takes is adding a few keywords. If I add the word disability in any of these services, I get a completely different result. Now, I realize there are mixed feelings about the word disability, but if I want more diverse pictures, that word does get me there. What I'm finding with this search is almost exclusively images of individuals in wheelchairs. So let's say you've included some of those images and want a wider range of options. At that point, you can filter out the word wheelchair. You'll need to find out how to do that with the service you're using. With Shutterstock, there's a field in the side panel. You scroll down and type the word you want to exclude. In Getty Images and Adobe Stock, you just type minus and the word you want to exclude. Again, wheelchair. Now there's a wide variety of images to choose from. Individuals with Down syndrome, with an arm brace, with a prosthesis, using sign language. Those two little words completely change the search results. Now you may come across some images where all the people seem to have what I might call traditional abilities. Sometimes that's just a quirk in the search algorithm. But you can select the image and look at the details to find out more. You can check the description, images in the same series, or the keywords if they're available. For example, with this image, the keywords tell me that someone in this image has a hearing aid. I can then go to the name of the photographer and search their collection with that keyword. Now I can find a number of images that show me which model is using a hearing aid. The images are there, and it takes just 2 little words to find them and make your courses more inclusive.